These are off of Dad's old truck. It's 79.
That's mine.
He's got a 9-inch lift now. And she's got a 4-inch. These are 6-inch lift coils. She just got shocks for a 6-inch lift. Now she just needs coils.
Where'd you get shocks from?
Bronco graveyard.
Yeah, yo.
So we're gonna color match these, put her shocks on. Then she's gonna have a 6-inch lift. We're gonna lift the front, not the back yet. We're gonna see how big of a block she needs to be level. So yeah, we're gonna paint these up and we're gonna get her on a 6-inch lift. So.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Well, it's time to go up with this bad boy. Girl, whatever you want to call it. Bailee's got the new coils painted up. Got new shocks. Hi, bud. But yeah, it's time to pull it in. Yep, for her. Are you working on this?
What?
Are you doing this?
Yeah, I am. By myself.
Sweet, thank goodness.
Me and Axel.
I'm tired of working on this thing. You look so enthused.
He judges a lot.
Alright, let's pour in. I did that because it was dead again, even though we just drove it over here. So I had to jump out the jump box. And let it sit on there for like 5 minutes because it was dead. Even though we just drove it over here.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Hey, where do you think these things should go?
There's a big opening right here.
Oh yeah?
Could be where they go.
Oh.
It kind of matches these drop brackets too. It actually is kind of perfect.
Kind of missing a couple things in there. Those probably look good in there.
Might be why it's riding so rough.
You're gay.
I kind of like it like that.
I like it. Do you even want to lift the back or is it fine?
I think it's fine.
I love it. Alright, but real talk, we are going to run to Summit Racing and get a 4-inch block for the back. It's got air shocks in the back now. She doesn't actually have... Huh?
We're leaving it.
Oh, never mind. We're not going to Summit. We're actually just going to leave it. We're going to move to North Carolina real quick and we'll be fitting right in. But it looks good at the 33s. Don't look like she skipped leg day or anything. Just got a little more wheel well room, which is actually kind of cool because you can see her color match clothes and her shocks. But it looks good. But we're going to run to Summit real quick and grab a 4-inch lift block, take out the air shocks in the back, put the new shocks in, and we'll be good to go. So, halfway done. Looking good. We're leaving it.
Broncos don't get ducks. We are men here. We are not gay jeepers. We don't drive tuned Broncos. Summer racing now. Let's go.
All right, here she is in all of her glory. 6-inch lift officially installed. Got the front lift done first. The 6-inch color match clothes in there. New Jeff's Bronco Graveyard 6-inch lift shocks. Already had the drop brackets down here for the 4-inch lift. Just had to move the bolt from the 4-inch hole to the 6-inch hole. Same thing with the back. Little purple guy back there. Color match those a long time ago. Whenever we did the 4-inch lift. For the back, we ordered a Skyjacker 4-inch lift block for the rear. More shocks in the back. For some reason, Summit Racing did not have 4-inch lift blocks in stock. Dumbest thing I've ever heard, but whatever. But yeah, she's all done. Looks really good. We were talking, we're like, you know what, like it actually looks pretty good with the 33s, but I have to put the lift on in the back. It could definitely use some new meats, but I mean, I'm sure that'll happen in the in the near future. All I gotta say is stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment what you think. That one's gone. Oh, there's that. Do you like it?
Yes.
Nice shirt you got there.
Thank you.
You hitting at something?
I might be.
Yeah? They'll never know what it is.